ngayon guys, kainisip ko lang. And then, I just suddenly realize, if Filipino ka, then isa kang OFW, then you have to realize this. Someday, uwi tayo sa Pilipinas and darating yung panahon na hina yung katawan natin. So, palagi kong sinasabi na we must have to take care of ourselves, and at the same time, kailangan na pangalagaan natin yung future natin. So, we still have time to prepare and protect sa retirement natin. So, you have to make it sure na meron kang sapat na healthcare fund, meron kang protection para sa pamilya mo, and at the same time, you have to understand the investment formula ba, no, na kailangan maintindihan natin na the more time we have, the lesser money, no, na kailangan natin para ma-build natin yung retirement fund natin. And if konti na lang yung time natin, mas malaki po yung pera kailangan natin. That's a heads up sa lahat. Huwag niyong sayangin yung time na meron tayo ngayon at yung pagkakataon na mapaghandaan natin yung future natin. Kasi balang araw, uuwi tayo sa Pilipinas. And that will be the start of our battles in life.